Okay, you can go ahead and cut this out. Got it, just a sheetrock saw here. And that's kind of how I started. Just take that and poke it on in there. I can start right there, poke it in, tap on it. Same thing over here. And up here, same. I like to try to grab those and make sure that they don't go inside the wall. And incidentally, something like this, if you ever need to get some matching paint, you could take something like this and take that to the paint store, just like that. Match up your paint. There you go. Okay? Now, I'm on an exterior wall, and that's why there's insulation in here. So I'm glad that at least they did that, huh? Before I go any further, I just want to test this and make sure I got it to fit. Now it's fitting kind of tight. I'm just going to shave off the bottom, just a hair. I always like to make it tight, and then if I have to shave it off, I will. I just would hate to get it too big. Try it again. Boy, it's still hitting ever so slightly. It looks like I'm off my pencil line, just a hair up there. That's all right. Didn't take much to straighten it out. Just using this kind of as a rasp. I can go sideways, whatever. Just don't get too rambunctious. You just want to test it a couple times. You can always cut out some more, but I never can add any. Okay, there it is. That's good.